Hi, hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. This is Vijay Giditori, and in this video, I'll explain you how to create a SQL database on Azure. So here you can see this is my Azure portal. So first we need to navigate to SQL databases. So here you need to select this, or else here you can directly search for SQL databases. Directly open this, and here you can see right now we don't have any of the SQL databases. So let's create a new database. So directly select here create. So here you can see subscription. So under free trial, I'm going to create. So first we need to select resource group. So under which resource group we need to create. So in previous video, I explained you how to create a resource group on Azure. So in previous video, I created a dev resource group. So in this resource group only, we are going to create a SQL database. So here I'm going to select dev resource group. So first we need to give the resource group name. So here I'm giving dev DB. So here you need to create a SQL server. So directly select here, create new. So here you need to give the name. So here I am giving dev db server. So it was not accepting. Let's do one thing. Dev db. So here it was accepting. And here location, here I'm going to select North Europe. And here you need to authentication method. So here I'm going to select use SQL authentication. So here you need to provide username and password. So here username I'm going to provide Vijay Giduturi and password Vijay Giduturi at the rate 12345. It was not accepting. Let's do one thing. Vijay at the rate 123. Here it was accepting. So first letter I have given capital. So Vijay at the rate 123. Okay. So here directly select here. Okay. So here using these credentials only we are going to connect to our SQL server. So after completing this, here you can see we created this. Now workload environment. So here I'm going to select development. So here you can select if you are using in production, you can directly select your production. So for video purpose, here I'm going to select development. So compute plus storage. So here I will open this. Here I will use the basic one, guys. So here directly server service tier here directly drop down this, and here I'm going to use basic. So it comes with 2 GB. So here you can see it comes with 2 GB. This is enough. So directly select here apply. So directly go to networking. So here network connectivity directly select here public endpoint, and here I'm going to select yes, and here I'm going to select yes. Add current client IP address. So here I'm going to select yes, and after that directly go to security. So here I'm going to select start free trial. So let's leave this and let's go to additional settings and use existing data. So here I'm going to select sample. So here directly select OK. So why here I'm going to select sample means if you select sample, it will generate few tables and databases. So that's why here I'm going to select sample and directly select tags and review plus create. You can review all the details here, and here you can see the cost, estimated cost, and directly select here create. So let's open this. So here you can see submitting deployment. So here you can see deployment it is in progress. So it takes nearly 2 to 3 minutes to create this DB. So here you can see your deployment is complete. So directly select here, go to resource. So let's close this. So or else directly select here Microsoft Azure. So if you select here resource group, so previously we created under dev resource group. So directly let's open this resource group. So in this resource group, you can see it was created SQL database as well as it created an SQL server. So let's try to connect to this SQL server. So here I will show you in SQL databases. So here this is the one. So let's directly open this. So here you can review all the details. So here you can see resource group name. So under dev resource group, we created this SQL database, and this is the server name. And here you can see status right now it is in online. Location we created under North Europe, and subscription we created under free trial. And this is the subscription ID. And here you can review all the details, guys. So now let's try to connect to this SQL database. So directly select your query editor. And here you can see previously while we are creating SQL database, SQL server, we gave an username and password. So this is the username. So here you need to provide your password to connect to your SQL database. So here previously I have given Vijay at the rate 123. So here you can see it was displaying tables, views, and stored procedures. So here when I drop down these tables, here you can see some of the tables. So here you can see all the tables. So let's do one statement. So let's start from sales IT address and let's try to run this. So here you can see it was displaying a table. It was displaying all the rows and columns here. So this is how you can run commands, guys. So let's do one thing. So let's start from sales customers. Now here I'm going to select customers. So let's run this. So here you can see all the details. So this is how you can create SQL databases and you can connect to your SQL databases on Microsoft Azure. So now let's do one thing. Let's try to delete this SQL database. So directly select your SQL databases. Okay. Directly select this and here directly select delete. And here directly select delete and delete. And here you need to select delete. And let's open this. So here you can see executing delete command. So it was deleting SQL database. So here you can see no SQL databases to display. Now let's go to resource group. Let's open this resource groups and dev resource group. So we have this. So once let's reload this. Let's remove this, guys. Let's open this. Select here delete. Skip feedback. So here we need to give the server name. Server name is devdb. Paste it here. Select delete. So now SQL server will also delete, guys. So let's select resource group and again dev resource group. Let's refresh this. So here you can see it was deleted. So and yes, that's it for today's video. And if you like my video, please do like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys. And see you in the next video and bye.